Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no SIM card or invalid SIM card error on your TCL Linkhub. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to grab the router. I'm just going to turn it off all the way here. And first, let's unplug every single cable that there is. So now we get rid of the Ethernet. We also get rid of the power, and once we get the power off and the Ethernet off, here we have our router. What we're gonna do with it is we're gonna rotate it right here, and once we rotate it, we can open this back right here. Now once we open it, we can just move it here, and once we move it, here we have our SIM card. So if we have this error, what are we gonna do is I'm gonna just pinch my nail into it. Here we have our card, and we want to make sure that it is correctly placed. So it should be placed like this. So this little cutout should go on the left side. So we're going to push it forward, not any other direction. And it should be like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just push it in. And once I push it in, I'm just going to close it. Now once we close it, what are we gonna do is we're simply gonna go and grab the power cord. So we're gonna rotate our router again. Now here we have our power. Now we plug the power, and what are we gonna plug next is the cable. So now after, as you guys can see, even the camera went off because we just connected the power and etc. So here we have our router. It's ready to use. Now this error won't be here. So all you really need to do is make sure that you check for your SIM card, make sure that it's placed correctly, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.